What's good, YouTube? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, and we back with another video. Today I will show you guys how everything turned out with the Lambo doors. I'm pretty excited myself. It was a long process. They had to have my car for about 2 weeks because I did get other stuff done with the system, auto theft, remote start, and a few other things that I'll show you guys in the next video. So today we're just gonna talk about how the doors turned out, what I think about it, and if you guys wanna buy this kit, what you need to look out for, because there is a few things other than just bolting it straight on or following those instructions that Universal Car Lift give you. Because when I did that, it didn't work out for me, and I followed every instruction, and there was a lot of things in there that they left out. So I'm gonna probably contact them to let them know to put that in the instructions, because it's a necessity. It's a must do, or else the doors ain't gonna work, and then you know you're gonna have messed up fenders or something like that. So, oh, and also the push bumper that I put up on the front. So all that together, this is what the car turned out like. Man, super duper aggressive to me, with the push bumper, the doors in the air like that. Step back, give you guys another shot. It actually turned out really good, guys. The doors are even. The doors open up how they supposed to, almost factory gap. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man, if y'all feeling the doors, man. It's just a whole walk around, even with the doors closed. The doors open pretty smooth as well. It's not really nothing that I changed with how the kit turned out. Like I said, it just took a minute to get everything together. Very solid. And mind you guys, I will get the car completely sanded down, primed, and any body lines or anything I will get corrected. And then I'm gonna wrap the vehicle and be done with this exterior. It'll be the interior that I work on next. So with the doors open, let me show you guys something. There's this piece here on the kit that you will have to notch the body of the car out. So right behind the plate, that little plate that's sticking out, you need to notch it in the body so that that plate can slide inside. Because if not, then the plate is gonna be all the way out here, and then your door hinge will have to swing all the way out, and then it will come in contact with the fender. So you need to notch that little plate in on the body right there. Notch that in, and then set it how you want to set it. And also you got all of your adjustables at the top, and then there's also 2 more that's in the very back. Just make sure that you adjust everything accordingly. And the shock belongs on the bottom bolt hole. There are 4 bolt holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to put it at the bottom one. And the only thing you need to do is just basically align this hinge up on the car to where it's pretty much flush and even at the top and the bottom. And the door closes pretty simple, which I'm gonna one-hand this thing. Only thing you do is bring it down like that. When it come all the way down, just push the door in. She closes very nice. As you guys can see, I pretty much got my factory seam all the way down, all the way up at the top. And this seam right here can be corrected. That's the reason why I said that they were gonna get my body lines correct as soon as I take it to the body shop to get it primed all the way down, because all of these fenders and hood and everything will be taken off. Like I said, I just slapped everything back on there together, but the body line is still actually pretty good. And also the same with the driver's side. What I did was tack welded this side here What I did was tack weld this side here at the top and at the bottom, and also some on the door up here at the top so that it doesn't move. I'm also get the passenger side done the same way. That's just so when you're opening and closing the door over time that the kit will not shift on you. And the same goes for this plate as well. You need to notch the body in on the car behind the hinge so that you can get this plate right here to slide in there, because if not, like I said, this whole hinge right here is going to come in contact with your fender. And it'll make it bulge out like you guys seen when I was installing it, and it kind of put a little small crease right here, but all of that stuff can get fixed. Same go with this door. Just bring it all the way down. Trying to one hand this thing. Once it's all the way down, closes like factory. So you guys can see I got my factory seam. The door isn't off a line or anything. Same go with this body line. That's gonna get corrected when I take it to the paint shop, which is not bad at all. That's what the car looked like with the doors and everything closed. And that push bumper on the front, which I feel like makes it look 10 times more aggressive. Next thing to do with the car will be to get probably some 30-inch rims. That's gonna come in hopefully the next couple weeks when anybody or somebody gets some 30s in. Like I said, 30s seem like the day out due to COVID. As you guys can see, I'm just one hand in this thing and the door opens all the way up. Stops on its own, you don't have to stop it. Same go for this side. Just pop the door open like that. And then I usually grab it right here and go up with it. I can even let it go and let it just come up by itself, but like I said, I'm gonna make sure that I take care of this kit and not just let it keep slamming up and down. Two, that might can bust the shock over time or make that shock weak or make some point of that hinge weak. So I'm just gonna make sure that I take care of it. This is not an everyday driving vehicle anyway, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I may also throw a little driving footage in here. Me and my family gonna go for a little quick ride. Get some driving footage of the doors up in the air, maybe in a parking lot or something, and me driving around.